I think I reached out to Rohit sir when I saw Golmaal 3 only and मैंने कहा था जब भी कुछ होगा तो बताना, I would love to work with you. Then Singham returns and then Simba. I used to be in touch with him regularly and he always said only one thing. He said तेरे लायक जब कुछ होगा मैं आऊँगा, मैं तुझे बुलाऊँगा सुनने के लिए. And one day, I think it was last June, I got a call. Or last July, I got a call just after my birthday. And he said, कुछ है interesting, आजा. I mean, I'd asked him villain कौन कर रहा है सिंघम में. So that time he didn't say anything, he had just smiled. So I was under the impression he must have already cast somebody. And cut to, I was sitting in front of him and he told me about the role. And then he said, "Tu pura narration sun le." So anyways, I felt so happy that they're going to narrate the film to me because that just shows that they had confidence that the character has that journey for me to be part of it. I heard it और immediately उठ के मैंने खड़े होकर बोला, सर बताओ कितने बजे शूटिंग पे आना है. मेरे लिए तो when I heard it, I knew the role has that power because पहले 30 मिनट में बिल्डअप भी डेंजर लंका का था. So I loved it, I enjoyed myself hearing it and I knew he's felt confident that I can pull off this as an actor. And I think that was very important to me. When he offered me, it wasn't just कि एक और actor को बुला लो ये role करने के लिए. He knew I have some presence to pull off this character. So yeah, I was in with him. Definitely आजकल ये terminology use हो रही है ना 2.0. तो rebirth कह लो, 2.0 कह लो, upgrade. मेरा प्रमोशन हुआ है ऑडियंस की आंखों में. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट यू वर्क फॉर, राइट? यू वांट टू आल्सो reposition yourself in different performances, different roles. As an actor, it's exciting now today. A director or a creative person will see my work and say, "Arey yaar, he doesn't only want to play the typical hero. He wants to play characters." So, audiences appreciating, the creative people appreciating allows me to believe that this is definitely a phase where I'll be offered more exciting parts, a varied amount of roles, and it also shows that I'm willing to take chances. To do a film like Singham again is a no-brainer today, but back then, perhaps having so many other people that could overshadow me or have better roles than me or be the bigger stars perhaps, that does not mean that you don't play the role well. So I think it also shows how secure I am, and I think that's where also there's a feeling in the audiences that he's somebody who's not, he believes and backs himself to do good work. What happens is then the noise comes from, is the talent going to be able to pull through if his selection of material is not good? Perhaps some people must have questioned the selection, some people must have questioned the timing, the way, or maybe miscast also in some cases perhaps, I don't know, I took chances. Maybe some roles pan out, some don't. I feel the talent was there, it's also how the talent is used and utilized in the film. It's all about timing and the cycle, this profession. You've been here long enough and seen the ups and downs of many people. I think the audiences have seen ups and downs. I'm part of that journey now. It just happens. Sometimes you do a lot of hard work in a phase of your career and it compounds and comes back with that one moment. I feel like there's a lot of good work amongst maybe some of the films that didn't pan out also. And I think there was a certain love and a connect with me that today those people have got a chance to cheer for me, and therefore, more than talent, it's also the appreciation of the hard work that didn't get its due than I'm getting now. I've seen my ups and downs in the beginning phase of my career. I had a couple of hits in the early phase, whether it's Two States, Gunde, Ishaqzade. I had Tevar that didn't pan out immediately right after. That was a home production. So I learned to take it on the chin, and where criticism was concerned also, I tried to hear the right noises and learn and get better. So in the beginning, when you're doing your parts and you're performing, you're also learning. तो आपको सक्सेस फेलियर से कुछ सीखने मिलता है, और कई बार आप मोमेंटम में होता है तो आप आगे बढ़ पाते हो कि चलो ये वाली नहीं चली, अगली वाली कर लेंगे, अगली वाली करेक्ट कर लेंगे. हर फिल्म में आपको एक मौका मिलता है. धीरे धीरे जैसे द वर्क slows down because your films don't do well, then you have a lot more time to think. That's when you need to be mentally strong and you need to be able to accept your reality. I think बात करना ज़रूरी होता है लोगों से आसपास, प्रोसेस करना, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, आप डिल्यूजनल हो सकते हो कि नहीं सब अच्छा जा रहा है, इनको कुछ नहीं पता, मैं दिखा दूंगा. अगर आप खुन्नस और नेगेटिविटी ऑडियंस की तरफ ले आओगे और फिर आप काम पे ध्यान नहीं दोगे या आप इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव नहीं होगे ना, यू कैन नॉट, परहैप्स आई वुडंट बी एबल टू से येस टू अ सिंघम अगेन इफ आई वाज़न्ट इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव एट दैट पॉइंट इन माय करियर. मैं अगर सोच नहीं रहा होता ना, तो मैं एरोगेंस में ना बोलते था सिंघम को कि यार इतने सारे हीरोज हैं, मैं विलन हूँ, मुझे नहीं करना. बट मुझे पता था वही एक मौका है मेरा टू बी एबल टू टेक अ चांस एंड रिकनेक्ट विद माई ऑडियंस. तो आई थिंक वो सोचने, बुरे वक्त से भी कुछ अच्छा निकल के आता है, और बुरे समय में भी अगर आप अपनी सोच रख सकते हो ना सीधी, और सही लोग हो आपके पास, तो यू कैन मेक बेटर चॉइसेस ऑल्सो. the boy who became a man in front of the audiences. I've grown up. The brash, abrasive young boy who stepped into playing Parma is now today this grown-up, screen-filling, dominant man that is there that represents resilience. I think मेरे लिए मेरा जो word है अपनी ज़िंदगी में हमेशा मानता हूँ, I'm a very resilient person. तो आपने एक young बॉय को देखा था जो तब भी रिजिलियंट था ऑफ कैमरा और काम अच्छा करता था अपने पूरे इज्जत के साथ, पूरे तमीज़ के साथ. मैं आज एक थोड़ा मैच्योर्ड ग्रोन अप आदमी हूँ जो दुनिया देख चुका हूँ, थोड़ी दुनियादारी समझ चुका हूँ. दैट्स बिन माई जर्नी पर्सनली. प्रोफेशनली आई वुड से आई थिंक आई हैव प्लेड वेरियस रोल्स मैम. मैंने सब कुछ किया है जो मेरा मन किया है. एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ मेकिंग ऑल दोज चॉइसेस दैट डिडंट पैन आउट एंड पैन्ड आउट, बिकॉज उस सब के वजह से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. सो इट्स बिन अ गुड जर्नी. 12 years, टफ definitely. Some great moments. I think the first 6, 7, 8 years were fascinating because you're like sitting there and things are happening around, you know. And the last few years were teaching you a lot also. So, thoda enjoy bhi kiya, thoda seekhe bhi. So, it's the best schooling you can have in life. Eventually, I am an extension of my mother's upbringing. I am like my father when you see me, but मेरा दिल मेरी माँ की तरह ही है अगर देखें. और मेरी पर्सनालिटी काफ़ी, इमोशनैलिटी जो मेरी माँ की तरह है. तो कहीं ना कहीं डेफिनेटली आई थिंक मी एंड अंशुला आर एक्सटेंशंस. जो हमारी माँ ने हमें सिखाया, जो हमारी माँ ने हमको जीने दिया, द एक्सपीरियंस दैट वी हैव गैदर्ड बाय हर लेटिंग अस लिव लाइफ द वे वी डिड. आज लोग बोलते हैं, यू नो, ही इज़ वेरी मैच्योर, ही इज़ वेरी सॉर्टेड. वो इसीलिए नहीं कि किसी ने बैठ के समझाया. शी लेट मी लिव माई लाइफ, मेक माई चॉइसेस, मेक माई डिसीजंस, एंड आई एम अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दैट बिकॉज शी वॉज माई फ्रेंड. तो हमने सब कुछ साथ में किया था, यू नो. तो जब आप ग्रो होते हो उस एनवायरनमेंट में जहाँ पे योर मदर इज ऑल्सो योर फ्रेंड, फिलोसोफर, गाइड. अफसोस है दैट शी इज़ नॉट हियर, बट आई थिंक अगर मैं आपको उनकी याद दिलाता हूँ तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे अंदर और मेरे वजूद के अंदर बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा उनका है. यू नो, माई आइडेंटिटी कम्स फ्रॉम बीइंग मोना कपूर सन फॉर पीपल दैट न्यू मोना कपूर. I look at myself as an underdog who always likes to listen and answer back with work. अपने काम से लोगों को मारो, ये हमेशा मैंने सुना है. मैं मान के चला हूँ कि यार आप अपना काम करते रहो. आज वही लोग जो सवाल उठा रहे थे, आज वही मेरे लिए जवाब खुद दे रहे हैं. The same people that questioned me today have taken over and are answering on my behalf. So टाइम की बात होती है, बातचीत होते रहती है हमारे बारे में. As actors we have to be prepared. I think the good part is today they're talking about my work and I hope it stays that way. अभी तो मैं एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ प्रेजेस. मैं ज़्यादा आगे की नहीं सोच रहा हूँ, सोचूंगा ज़रूर सही समय पे. इस वक्त फॉर मी व्हाट्स एक्साइटिंग इज जस्ट टू enjoy the reconnect with my audience, because I've waited very long to be able to have those people turn around and say that this is the boy that we really liked, this is the actor that we appreciate, we want to see more of him. काम आ जाएगा उसका भरोसा है. पहले भी अपने आप पे भरोसा था, आज भी है. Yes, I would look forward to doing various roles, including the antagonist, including these grey shades. I'm very excited about getting more opportunities in interesting characters, but इस वक्त I'm just enjoying the connection with them again. That's it. One thing I would like to say on record about Dad is he has always believed that I'm meant to be on the big screen, even when perhaps I've questioned it in front of him, saying that, you know, what do I do? Do people want to watch? And he's always believed, he said, it's the right film, the right role. You will get that gratification from your audience because they've loved you and accepted you. And this is a man with the experience of many years where he's seen many actors' ups and downs, including his own brothers for that matter. बट जब आप पे बीत रही होती है, आपको किसी बड़े से पूछना भी पड़ता है ना, यार आप क्या सोचते हो एक्सपीरियंस वाइज. ही ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन मी, नॉट ओनली एज एन एक्टर बट ऑल्सो आई थिंक जस्ट he feels my presence, and I think that's what he was the happiest about when he saw Danger Lanka, the way Rohit Shetty has presented me. And he called up Rohit Shetty and spoke to him. I think मुझसे ज़्यादा उन्होंने रोहित सर से बात की है फिल्म के बारे में. I think he was just relieved and happy and proud. I think I could sense that. There's माँ बाप अपने बच्चों के बारे में फिक्र ज़रूर करते हैं, दिखाते नहीं होंगे या दिखा भी देते होंगे, because me and him don't stay together. I'm sure he must have been stressed, maybe more than me also, because he knew how much it mattered to me that this film allows me to reconnect with the audience. I think he felt a sense of pride and relief. मुझसे जो बातें की है वो टिपिकल फादर सन वाली बातें ही हैं, बट मुझे कहीं ना कहीं उनकी आंखों में एक प्राइड ज़रूर दिखता है. I am somebody who's looked up to Ajay Devgan all my life, because such a secure man, the way he conducts himself on camera and off camera, the ease with which he performs, the ease with which he is around on set. He's not intimidating, he's not trying to change things, he's not trying to get overtly involved. खुद प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं, लेकिन सेट पे जब सिंघम के आते थे तो ही केम to play the part. He was not trying to show, you know, how much he knows. He trusts Rohit Shetty and his team. I really enjoyed working with him, sitting in between shots and talking to him, having a cup of coffee with him, and discuss all other stuff, even not only work, you know, we discussed other stuff like travel and like बहुत रैंडम चीज़ों की बात कर ली, कभी कभी यू नो हेल्थ की बात कर ली, ये बात कर ली, छुट्टियों की बात कर ली, कभी परफ्यूम कपड़े बात कर लिए, just to see that he's a very normal, relaxed person who creates an atmosphere of ease. And I really love him as an actor. I think the intensity that that man has, the presence he has, जो उनकी आंखें हैं वो हमेशा लोग बोलते हैं आंखों से आधा काम तो आंखों से ही कर जाते हैं. His selection of material, the chances he's taken all his life, the way he's done ensembles, 2 hero films, the amount he's worked. He's somebody who's not deterred by failure also. I've seen that about him, you know. मुझे वो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ लगती है. He's seen so many highs because I think he's been able to deal with all the failures very gracefully. And I've never seen success go to his head. You know, I've never heard of any incident about Ajay Devgan being a certain way post a release of a film. Ajay Devgan has always been consistent. I've only heard the same stories about his demeanor and his behavior. So, for me, I really respect him, human being and actor in both ways. अपने अंदर के ताकत को दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं. If you have that strength and that ability, you don't need to show it. अगर आप मानते हो तो वो लोगों को समझ आ जाएगा. You know, he is not somebody who projects. He is what he is and he carries himself that way. और आपको वो महसूस हो जाता है. There's an energy around him where he is so comfortable and confident about who he is. And I hope growing older, our generation understands the value of being your own person and not having to always show people who you are, you know. Power doesn't come from showing. Power comes from the way you are and what you believe you are.